New York is a food lover's paradise. Join us as we eat our way around New York and show you some of our favourite places. And so I need to be very clear, we are by no means gourmet foodies. If it's deep fried or covered in sugar, we love it. We start off at Kat's Deli, made famous by the movie When Harry Met Sally. I'll have what she's having.
Okay, our first night in New York, we're at Kat's Deli in Lower Manhattan, and we've got the famous pastrami on rye, which is what they're known for. It's got a tower of meat and plenty of mustard on there. We also got a hard salami and mustard sandwich, pickles, a famous matzo ball soup, and then potato fritters, which is, how do you pronounce it? But this is what you come to New York for. This is it. Try the soup. It's a big dough ball. Pickles are beautiful.
The Fiat Cafe is a fun little cafe paying homage to the Fiat car. Dominique Ansel is a revolutionary baker inventing the famous Cronut and cookie shot, but come early as they do sell out.
These are the famous cookies, the cookie cups with milk with a touch of vanilla essence. You drink it and you eat it, but also home of the famous Cronut. They invented them here in the bakery. A little treat. Obviously, calories don't count when you're on holiday. We've got some Eileen's cheesecakes. They're meant to be the best in New York. We got them today, but for dessert back in the room. It was actually too cold to eat out on the street. Oh, delicious. This is the original one. Good New York cheesecake. Can't go wrong.
We're at Prince Street Pizza and we've got a pepperoni slice and it looks amazing. Have a look. Wow. One slice could definitely feed us 3. And let's have a taste test. Bit cross, pepperoni is perfect and it's very tasty. 10 out of 10.
We're at Somnia Cookies in Greenwich Village. They stay open till 3 in the morning. I got an oat and raisin cookie. What do you got?
And I got a double chocolate chunk cookie. Very tasty.
They're warm, delicious, just right for a cold night.
Hi, so we just went to the Cupcake shop behind us and we got a vanilla bean cupcake.
And what does it taste like?
Oh my god. I can't get it, hold on. Really good.
Winter Street Bakery, home of the famous blueberry pancakes. They're bound to be delicious. Good?
We just got a creamy bagel from Rusty Waters. It's meant to be the best bagels in New York. It's got everything sinking on there. Pretty tasty.
Meant to be the best cookies in all of New York. I've gone for the oat and raisin. The kids have gone for the traditional choc chip and nut, which is actually what they're known for. But I like the oats. Warm and low calorie. Just joking. We're in Cafe Roma in Little Italy. This is where they screened a Sopranos episode, or part of an episode. Got a delicious cannoli and a piping hot latte.
Hi, we're in Lombardi, one of the oldest pizza joints in New York. It's pretty good.
Hang on. Yeah, do that.
And then do this.
This place has an amazing array of cakes, pastries, and delicious treats.
That is a breakfast of champions.
Chelsea markets are a food lover's heaven with so much choice. We had Thai for lunch and weren't disappointed. Eat in Fraunce's Tavern, dating back to 1762, New York's oldest bar and still standing building. All the addresses and details of all the places that we visited are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed our video, hit the like and subscribe buttons as there's much more to come.